Alright guys, welcome to the Mo Show Outdoors. We're out here with this motley crew today. Look at all us little outlaws. That's right, they're with us. They got the dogs. We're going to come out here and chase some hogs and bring them in by hand. That's right. Just for y'all don't know, I am the Mo Show. Okay? There's only one. I am he is me. That's Big Ugly. That's our brother Bradley. Yeah, a lot of y'all know him. He's been on a lot of my shows. But alright, we'll let y'all know when we get out there and get it going. Now guys, this is us doing our thing right here. Look at these boys. Look at that dog. Look at that dog caught that hog. Yeah. That's what we're talking about.
Let that motherfucker go. Let that break this guy. Get that motherfucker. Set that motherfucker.
Now that's how us country boys come out here and get a hog right there. There's 3 more with her. Alright. Yeah, I veered off from y'all. Heard that dog bark. I started getting out front. Them pigs almost ran right over me, man.
Kobe, let him go get the foot off. Don't let him go. Here. Take him out to them. Go. Here you go. Come on, dog.
Yeah. Now, you know, for those of y'all the weak of heart, y'all might not want to try this at home, but these boys do this for a living. And that's why Mo Show Outdoors out here getting some of this on video for y'all. And I know y'all going to love it. Hey, you having fun, Bradley?
Always.
Look at big old Sexy up there and all that brush. Hey, I'm going to put you between me and him. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, there were 3 more with her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The dogs took off after him.
Yeah.
Back on, we're going to get us another one.
Alright, man, that's some good stuff right there.
Shut up, Molly. Hey, it's good. Let me see him. Get off of him. Get up. Move.
She's just the right size.
You dumbass? I had a dog behind it.
Alright.
Got her, boys.
Alright.
We got her.
Nice. And that's how you take care of a hog out here in the woods without a gun. And that's Chase, and that's Chance. Well, I mean, I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry, but old Chase over there, he's kind of mastermind behind this, and he took care of that hog. Hey, we appreciate you, brother. That was some good video and good show right there.
You get here, Roscoe.
Sorry we didn't come here to start on the first shot, you know, but yeah, this is my little... I know it's a good spot. Look. Now guys, we're out here trying to get to our second pig. We got bait up, and we out here in the boats trying to get him. Now the creek channel, 2 down, guys, in about an hour. How about that?
Well, I ain't hot no more.
That's how we handle them.
Yeah, I'll jump in there after.
Yeah, both of them.
Shut them dogs up. Some other dogs.
got us something here. We got us something here. Pull and drag. Pull and drag. Ooh, look at here. Oh, oh man, this is a monster. This is a monster. Pull and drag. This is a 23-inch fish. Ooh. Oh, look at here. Look at here. Oh, don't come undone. Don't come undone. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. This is what the Mo Show is all about right here. Oh, look at that giant. Look at that giant. Oh. Oh. Look at that. Now that's a Sam Rayburn bass right there. Woo, that is just a hog. Just a big old hog on some Rayburn red for you right there. And that's why you come fishing with the Mo Show Outdoors. Woo! Boy, when that hit, I said, oh my goodness, am I hung? Am I hung? That is a freaking giant! That is a giant! Woo! That's what you come fish with the old Mo Show for. Mwah! I gotta get a picture of that fish. Think I ain't getting on, okay? Kim Weichel. Whoa, but I mean, just the list goes on. Mike Pips, Scotty Porter, Miles Nelson. Y'all need to get on up here and get y'all some of this right here. Thank you. Mwah! Gotta get a picture.